members want it all of the Salivation Nation with an unboxing from the United States Mint and the state of U.S. Mint products. We're going to talk a little bit about that, especially with regards to common collectible things such as proof sets and silver eagles and the like. So let's get into this box. You know, we're seeing increasingly the number of packages and offerings from the United States Mint that have mintages on them, as has been reported by Son of a Silver Stacker and Silver Wolverine. And it is fascinating indeed. And I was kind of tempted, you know, when these things came available from Silver Wolverine, to have him to thank for this. I decided to wait and see what happens in the morning and see if I can get one of the last year of the last year of this design, the original reverse for the American Eagle silver proof coin. The United States Mint is charging a very high price for these, $73 compared to what they have been in the past. But even that is not as bad as some of the other products, such as the proof sets this year, which is just crazy how much they are charging. But nonetheless, you know, and it's the last year or something like that, you become nostalgic for a design. And I like this reverse on this particular coin. But here it is in all of its glory. Let's pull it out of the packaging and take a look at the piece. There it is. 2021, final year of this design. But also the first year of the new design that's coming. And there it is, West Point Mint. And so to my recollection, I don't think they're offering these in other mint marks like the San Francisco Mint. But who knows? The Mint has surprised us before, and the way they are offering these things, especially when they're offering them to dealers at a discount or what have you, or in bulk form, bulk purchasing. My feeling is they should offer these coins to everybody at the same rate. Everybody should have to struggle with the website, or they should just fix the website. Really, it's that simple. It's what they should do. But, you know, I know there's complexities involved in it with the great demand, but hey, you know what? There is, you have to adapt and overcome. That's what they say, right? And so I believe there's ways to do it, and there's ways to lessen the traffic without actually doing the website. Maybe kind of what they did with this. They provided a period of time where you could make a purchase, and then they stop it and restart it again and leave it at that, and have that be the case for everybody. But something like this, it's an annual thing. This is not an incredibly low mintage, but I believe they're selling for a little bit more in the secondary market, and I'm maybe considering perhaps maybe flipping it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see how it plays out. But nonetheless, there it is. It's a very well, exquisitely struck and nice deep frosting on this, which is very nice, making it an attractive coin. And I don't know, it seems like that the case is a little darker, but maybe it's just me. But there it is, United States Mint, proof silver eagle here with this final eagle design. I kind of wish that for the new design that it would have had some other elements with it, kind of like this has ground with the sun in the background. And it'd have been nice if they had something that would be more complementary to the obverse. But that is something that I've talked about in a video that I'll link at the end of this video in the end screen, that talks about that very thing, about continuity of design from the obverse to the reverse. I believe in that strongly. And it seems like these designs, even the Mercanti design here, though it's a great look for the eagle, the heraldic eagle is very nicely done. I believe it's a departure, and it doesn't really serve well this side from Adolf Weinman. I believe the original eagle was a much better, for the Walking Liberty $50 would have been a much better choice. If they're going to use this design, use that old design too. Let's just harken back, kind of like what they did with the Buffalo. I talk about that extensively in that video. I'll post a link to it again at the end screen of this video, but nonetheless, it's going to be very interesting to see what the security features are, and if any element of those security features will be preserved on a proof coin. And that is something that is going to be quite the query and the concern, because proof coins can be faked as well, and they are. And but also we've noticed that, especially with some of the background minting techniques, on the image, on the fields, that it will could potentially take place. And micro engraving, that stuff is very difficult to do on a proof coin. So my hope is they will find some other way to capture that as security features for a proof coin, even if they only carry over one or two, if there's three security types of features that are overt on a particular coin. There's ways that I think that could be done that could provide a level of detail, and perhaps it's something that's embedded in some way, some sort of very obscure marking, like a privy mark or something like that. That is because apparently the obverse is going to be revamped as well to some degree. I don't know what that means. Will it mean micro printing on the flag, where she's wrapped up in the flag? Who knows? Will it be something with the eagle on the design itself, or something within the fields? There's lots of different things that could occur here, but there it is, the 2021 final year of this design, and limited mintage for these particular coins. Did you pick up one of these? Some people say they ordered this particular coin, and then it got canceled. That's very unfortunate for sure. If your order got canceled, I was almost expecting it to happen to me as well, and if it did, I wasn't going to lose much sleep over it, but that in fact did not happen. We do have it here in hand, and of course, with the Silver Eagle, it is a reeded edge and 3/9 fine silver. In fact, the purity is actually, let's see if it's listed on here. The old COAs used to have those listed on there. The actual purity, it's not listed. It's only listed as 3/9 fine silver, but it's really 9993 fine silver. That is exactly right. And I don't know. I have been known to have hanging around here a Silver Eagle from time to time. I'm going to look and see if I have an extra one here. And I'll look it up and see if there's on some of these older COAs for some of these coins. We do have some older ones here. I knew I held them aside in 2010. In 2010, it's just listed as 3/9 fine as well for the 2010 Silver Eagle here. So that COA is indicative of what they had changed. And here is one. It's even earlier, from 2002. And it goes in a little bit more detail about the fineness, but it's just listed as 3/9 fine too, but it tells you that it has, the balance of it is in copper. But I do believe that the actual specifications for the Silver Eagle is 3/9 fine with a 3. So 0.9993 fine silver there. So there you go. Very interesting. Okay. I think we've got that there. So there it is. Fascinating indeed. There is the story, and I'm sticking with it, with the Silver Eagle for 2021. And for those who are collecting these in proof form, for this particular series, you're sunsetting on your collections if you want to just do the Type 1 Silver Eagles. You can collect those from 1986 all the way up to now with that design and proof, or alternative finishes in the proof category. Yes, indeed. Fascinating. So there you have it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And are you going to try to get one of these, or have you gotten one on order? I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.